the Tickled Pink Vintage channel. I would like to remind you to please click the subscribe button. That way you'll always see the latest and greatest new cocktail video. Also, if you want notifications to come to your email of when I do an upload, please click the bell. It's a little notification bell, so that way you'll be sure to never miss a new cocktail video. Now that we're done with all the business end, let's start making a drink. Woohoo! So, I'm on a roll. My last video was all about making a summertime Aperol Spritz into more of a fall flavored beverage. Well, today I'm staying on that track. Today I'm taking another classic cocktail and giving it a fall makeover, if you will. Now, I love these cocktails, the classic version of them, and I like doing different variations, so I was pretty excited to make a fall version of this drink. And what we're doing today is we are making an apple pie Moscow Mule. You heard that right. Apple pie and a Moscow Mule. It's got to be good, right? Also, I love a good Kentucky Mule, which is basically the same ingredients as a Moscow Mule, but interchanging bourbon. So today I'm putting my own twist and I'm making apple pie Moscow Mule. And also, what's more fall than apples? I guess you could say pumpkins, but apples are a big fall staple. So why not have an apple drink themed cocktail? So now less talking, more drinking. Let's get started. This drink is very easy, can be made just like that, and I'm about to show you how. So I've got a Moscow Mule mug, metal mug, filled with ice. There you go. Next up, I'm going to take 2 ounces of good apple cider. Not apple juice. There's a difference. Apple cider, as you can see, is a little cloudier. It has cinnamon and clove and spices in it. I really love the Trader Joe's version, but if you have one that you love, feel free to use it. So we're going to do 2 ounces of apple cider. You can already smell the pie vibe going on with just the apple cider alone. So now we've got that, and now for the fun part. Instead of using vodka, I'm using apple pie moonshine. Now you could use apple flavored vodka, they do have them out there, but I just thought moonshine would be way more fun and more warming on one of those chilly fall nights. So let's go ahead and put in 2 ounces of apple pie moonshine. And this stuff does pack a kick, so just know that you were forewarned. Quick 2 ounces. There we go. Now, after that, we're going to add the classic Mule ingredient, ginger beer. So this is where it stays on course with the normal Moscow Mule. And we're just going to fill the glass up with ginger beer up to the top. That's about it. And I'm going to stir really lightly just to combine everything so that all the flavors are melded and you don't just get a layer of ginger and then a layer of apple. So there you go, little tap. Next, we're going to garnish with a cinnamon stick. So this will let people know that there's some cinnamon spice going on. And a cute little slice of apple. And there you go. You have an apple pie Moscow Mule. This is going to be perfect for watching football, cuddling on the couch with your boo, or even just because it's Tuesday afternoon. Who knows? But I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. So let's give this a try. Oh, it is good. And it does taste like liquid apple pie. And you would think that the ginger would overpower everything, but it just adds one more layer of warmth and depth and really kind of gives this drink a good hit of spice. So I highly recommend, if you love Moscow Mules, then you are going to love the apple pie version. So here's to fall and here's to good times and good drinks. Cheers, everybody!